Going in. Onboarding. We are the first few cars to enter in the ferry. So we are the last one to come out as well. Yan, eto nasa loob na kami ng ferry. Laki ng ferry. My God. Parang Titanic. Yan, may mga lane, no? Yung iba dyan, magpa-park. Merong 4 lanes dito. Tapos, doon pa. This is Brittany. Brittany Ferry. I think this is it. We're going to stop here, take our belongings, because we're going to stay in a cabin all night. We'll be here in a ferry for 21 hours. Yan yung mga corridor, oh, sa cabin. Oh, yan. And going up sa bar. The bar boy. Yan yung lift or elevator. Ito na yung parang Maynila. Ayun, oh. My bear. Reception. Ganda, may libre sangria, oh. Babalik nga lang ka. Akit pa kami roon sa taas, may cafe. Inuubos talaga ni Stan, ibabalik daw kasi yung kape. Kasi ito mga cabin area. Ayun, mahabang corridor. Naka-standby pa yung ferry. Nakadock pa siya. Tapos ito, lumabas kami ni Stan. Ito na yung pinakadulo ng Brittany Ferry. May mga upuan dito. Tapos, if you want to look at the sea, the rounded windows here. Oh, yan, dungaw tayo. Ito yung round window. Ayun, paikot. Ang laki, no? Check it. Check it. Ayun, ang ganda sa dulo. Kita nyo, grabe. Ang laki. Hanggang dun pa, yung abot ng inyong tanaw. Kala ko, ito na yung dulo. Yan pa pala, oh. Grabe. Haba. Pasok na raw kami sa Vista. Hindi, shall we go up now? Ito yung mga other cabin area. At ayun pa. Ayan, yung kabuuan ng ship. How many decks? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 decks. Oh my God. Para kung mas mataas pa sa hospital to. But a shop was built right across the street and it stands where the sunrise used to be. O yan pa yung mga wine na nakalisan. And the seating area. And more seating area. And to this side are the display of drinks. Ayan. Ang ganda na seating area nila. And some paintings this side. Ayan, may nagigitara. Yeah, the folk singer here. That's what I'm hearing earlier. Sing it for free here. Oh, that's where we get the sangria downstairs. And more seating area here. If you want to dine in. Ito yung mga vending machine. And I think the restaurant, Bon Appetit daw. Yeah, obviously this is restaurant. Ito dining area na to. Kaya ang daming seat. Hanggang dun. Self-service restaurant.
That's exactly what I want.
Okay. Ayan, mga lunch. Ano na siya? Ano ba yun? Euros. Ang price. Ganda naman itong nakadisplay rito ang taas. And more dining areas. Ang haba. Dining area lang pala to. Itong kahaba na to. Sa taas. Hindi ka magugutom dito eh. Tapos ito may microwave. This is where you can just wash your hand and microwave to heat your food. And La Cafe Festival. Huge. It's even bigger. Hanggang dun sa dulo. Ayan na. Kakagutom. Siguro tinapay lang kainin ko eh. We are in a 8th deck. Meron pang dalawang level or dalawang floor na akati namin. Ito yung bar area nila. Grabe, puro kainan, inuman yung place. Meron pa sa taas oh. 9th floor and 10th floor, the last one. Ito kami ni Stan. Magdi-drink lang ako. Kami, siya beer, ako coffee. Hapunan na namin ni Stan. Dinner time. Ito yung sa akin, salad. Nasa top deck kami sa 9th level. Ayun yung swimming pool doon. Yan, if you want to go on a swimming pool. Oh, hinintay ko si staff. Oh, nahihilo na ako. Nasa taas kami. Mas maano yung barko rito eh. Mas magalaw pag nasa taas.
Exciting and refreshing.
Breakfast time dito sa ferry. Talagang yung mga English, they just enjoy yung holiday nila. Dami mga matatanda. In-enjoy lang nila yung ano pag sa ferry. Cross country. Ito yung breakfast ano nila. Breakfast area. Hanggang dun. Hanggang dun. Turo ko yan. Kainan yan hanggang sa taas. Tapos na ano na yung stand. Ako tapos na rin. Prutas na lang ang natitira. We're going to explore a little bit more the eatery section of the deck. Normally the 8th deck is the eating area. Ito pa oh. And more here, more. Ito yung 8th deck niya, ano lang, eatery lang, kainan. Kami ni Stan sa upper deck, yun, may mga tao rin. This little bit here on the floor, I don't know. Maybe last night it rained. That's the water. We're 3 hours away to Spain. Ito another eating area. Yan. Ayun na, taas ng barko eh. Part of a ship yan eh. Mataas na. Dito kami sa ano ng daksa. Dito kami sa dulo ng barko. We're here. Doon. Ayun. Ang ganda ng dagat. My God, dulong-dulo talaga kami. Tatangay ng hangin.
This is not a dream.
Stan, we will go on the very top deck. Pinakamataas kami. Eto na. Eto na. Ayan kami. Alright. Morning. Ayan, may nakakitang girlfriend si Stan. Ito kami sa pinakamataas. And pa yung mataas pero we're not allowed. Alright. Is it you yesterday? Unfortunately, I'm busy at so at the middle of the I left. I'm busy that time, but I like listening to you yesterday. From the top deck, we can see swimming pool from here. Going back to the cabin, magpahinga muna. Long corridor to our cabin. We are room cabin 5336. And I'm dizzy. I feel like want to throw. Hindi kami sa dulo. Our bottom. Haba, ang ganda ng carpet. Oh. I like the carpet. These are the cabin rooms. Yan, mga number. Ayun na, malapit na. Yan. Ito na kami. Yay! Ito yung loob ng cabin. 2 single beds. Here and there. Oh my God, there's one here. Libre daw. I like libre. Libre Spanish term nila. Umakit si si Daddy Stan. Daddy. Exploring again. Oh, wow, it is very calming. Calming feeling. Ito to si Don Stan. Ako si Doña Ariray. Pupunta kami rito ni Stan. Nanonood kami ng dagat. We still have 3 hours, honey, to stay. 3 hours to stay in Peru. 2 hours na lang. Nasa Spain na kami. Yes! Pero gusto ko yung libre sa baba. From the window, that's sort of Spain now. Santander, I think. Ferry is approaching. Here they are waiting. In 20 minutes off board. And I think we have to get ready now. These are the cars underway. Nasa underground siya. Itong ganda, oh. Pakuha. Yan. Ganda ng car na. I keep waiting here inside the car. Because we are the first few cars to enter first. So obviously we're the last. No. Not really last, few cars. Ito yung mga nauna sa amin. Pero marami sa hulihan. Yan. O kinontra ako ni Stan now din. Okay, wanna bet? Another 10 minutes?
We're the first off.
Huh? We're the first off? Facing that one? That's good. Okay, wanna bet like 20 pounds? My bet is 10 minutes. What about you? 3 minutes. Okay, start the bet now. Hindi raw kami gaano maghihintay na matagal rito kasi kami raw una lalabas. In lang naman yung mga car na unahan namin. Ano, I wanna bet 20 or 50? 50 pesos. Kala nyo, 50 pesos only. Ready na po kami mag-drive. All set to go. Look at the light, the red lights of the car. Naka-ready na. Malapit na kami umalis. Ayan na, nagda-drive na. Yung red car nakita ko. At last, we're going. Oh, pinahinto kami. Bakit? Yan, umaandar na po kami.
Oh yeah.
Umarang tong naka-orange na mama. Kasing mga kotse one at a time. Sa wakas, kami na ang lalabas ng ferry. Isa-isa lang kasi. Bye-bye, ferry.
Okay.
It's been so nice. Apart from, I'm really dizzy last night.
Oh no.
Pero didn't stop me exploring. Kahit nahihilo ko.
We're gonna keep it low.
Ayan yung pairing sinakyan namin.
With no strings tying you to me.
Pero I think Titanic is much bigger. I'm just exaggerating it. It's as big as Titanic. Sorry about that. I'm just dreaming. That's a Brittany Ferry. Up to 10th floor. This place is called Santander. Honey, are we in Santander? Yes, Santander daw. Dito kami magagala-gala. Camping, hotel, camping. That's tapos ayun yung mga camping stuff namin. Ang dami.
Said you couldn't take us too seriously. I must admit I was relieved.
Grabe dito, init. Parang Pilipinas. Siguro mga what's 28 degrees. Mainit nga. Alam mga ka-babes, at the moment it's 38 degrees. I can
Continue on CA 185 for 3 kilometers.
I can feel it. It's so hot. This part of Spain. Don't come here this time of the year. Come here when it's winter time. I'll just give you a little tip. Don't come here this weather. June, July, August. Come here December, January, February. Basta na snapping. Experience of a lifetime. I better went back to the Philippines in a weather like this. But anyway, it's a beautiful place, yeah. Just don't come out or just don't go on camping. As you come out of the pub, this is what you're going to see. The high mountain there. The bare one. But the thing is just very hot. 35 degrees at the moment. I can't stand it. We have to find again somewhere to drink. Parang Pilipinas ang klima niya eh. Surprisingly, it's surrounded by mountains. Shouldn't be that hot. Ito na. We're going back to the car. Yan ang mountain, no? Ang ganda sana ng lugar. Kaya nga lang at the moment, 38 degrees. 12:40 midday. It's not a good idea to go on camping in a weather like this.
Holiday, beautiful holiday, exciting and refreshing. Just got back home, but the sun